Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from Amazon to Shopify. Now this is an easy tutorial guys. All you have to do, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. You want to go to your Shopify, you want to log into your Shopify store, then click settings at the very bottom left. After that guys, you want to click on apps and sales channels as you can see here, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now here you want to download an app. It's called Amazon, okay, dropshipper. Okay, this is the name of the app. It's called Amazon Dropshipper plus Walmart. This app will help you guys import products from Amazon to your Shopify store. I'm going to be showing you how you can use it right now. Now you want to click on install, and then it will take you guys to the next page. You want to click on install again, just to wait a few seconds. I don't know why this is taking so long. Yeah, you want to click on install in the top right here, and then you want to wait for the app to be installed in your Shopify. As you can see, the app is successfully installed, and it will take you guys to this page. Okay, now what you guys need is you want to go to Amazon, okay, and search for a random product that you want to import to your own Shopify store. So I'm going to search, for example, for makeup related products. I'm going to search, for example, for makeup. And I'm going to search for a random product here. So for example, I would like to import this e.l.f. product to my store. Now I want to click on the product, and in the top you can see this long URL. You want to copy it. Okay, you want to copy this whole URL, this link. Right click and then copy. And then you want to go to here. You want to paste that URL here, Ctrl+V, or paste it manually, like right click and then click paste, and then click on get product. Okay, it says here, please wait. You want to wait like a few seconds. Okay. Import. Okay, as you can see, this is the product. Now, if you want to change this, if you want to change something in the product before you can add it to your store, you can change the title if you want. You can change the product stats. You can change the description. I'm sorry. You can change images. You can change the price. You can change, but you can do this on your Shopify after you add this product to your store on Shopify. Then you can change, for example, the title. I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. Now you want to click on add to my store. Like, a lot of people ask me in the comments if Amazon is going to ship this product automatically to the customer after I receive a sale on my Shopify. No, they don't. Okay, you have to do it manually. If you receive a sale, you have to go to Amazon and click on buy now. Instead of putting there your address, you put there the address of the customer. Okay, after you receive a sale on your Shopify. Now if you click on view product, this is the product that you have imported to your own Shopify. Okay, as you can see. Now what you need, guys, you need to go to your own Shopify, and you have to increase the price. Okay, you are not going to sell it for the same price. You need to increase the price so that you can make some profit. Okay, you want to open your Shopify store, click on products, and then click on the product that you have imported from Amazon. And then you want to change the price. Okay, make the price a little higher. As you can see, it's click on edit prices, and then you can increase the price. So the price on Amazon is around $6. Here it's also $6. So you want to increase the price for all these different variations. Okay, if this video guys helped you, or if you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone, like I said. Please drop a like, and see you guys in the next one. Click the video in the screen if you want to learn more. See you guys in the next video.